the My BMW app. Save time and download the software upgrade right onto your smartphone. Afterwards, you can easily upload the package to your vehicle. This is how it works with BMW Operating System 8. A push notification of your My BMW app informs you about new software upgrades. The download screen displays the download progress. Check the app's download options for more flexibility. Download complete. The connectivity screen shows your current connection status and explains how to pair your smartphone. When your phone's not connected, go to Mobile Devices and select Connect New Device. Now select your device. In the Bluetooth settings menu on your phone, check if the code matches and select Pair. Now Wi-Fi. Select your paired phone in the Mobile Devices menu. Select Connect to Wi-Fi. Activate Wi-Fi on your phone and scan the QR code. Connected. Need help? There's a troubleshooting section in the My BMW app. When you're connected, the upgrade package is automatically uploaded to your BMW while you're driving. This process can be paused at any time. It automatically resumes when the connection between smartphone and vehicle is re-established and your BMW is in drive mode. Once it's all uploaded to your BMW, follow the instructions on the central information display. Our other how-to video helps you with the installation process. In case you have specific questions regarding the upgrade, please call the BMW customer support. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.